Hey, this is Troy with Wines, Pines, and Canines. This morning we're all pretty much hitched up and fixing to depart Don Carter State Park here in northeast Georgia. Have you ever wondered what happens to the inside of your camper when you're running down the highway with lane changes and potholes? Well, today we set an action cam up and we're going to show you just exactly what happens.
And hi, I'm Linda with Wines, Pines, and Canines. So as Troy mentioned, we are at the Don Carter State Park in Georgia, and this is a beautiful park. We have been in the Helen, Georgia area for about 3 days, and during that time we've seen the town of Helen along with a couple waterfalls and a winery. So we will have that as an upcoming video, so if you'd like to see those, please hit that subscribe button. Remember, Desi here wants you to hit that notification bell. And we've also completed our first test on our battery that we have been talking about to see if it will hold up with the solar to some boondocking. So we're going to have that video upcoming as well. But it's hard to edit on the road without Wi-Fi signals. So we figured what might be a fun video is just doing kind of what happens inside your camper while you're driving. So what we've done is set up an action cam and mounted it on our microwave, and we're going to take it down some of these country roads, a lot of turns, and then up on the highway. We're going to see how it responds. We hope that you enjoy this little short video, and we will see you soon with some updated videos. Okay guys, I noticed in the videos, because I am watching it on an iPad here in the truck, that there was one thing that I failed to secure. So we stopped and secured it, and I'm going to challenge you to find the difference in all of the videos. Now I will give you a hint, has nothing to do with the pillows. Now if you find it, please post it down below in the comments.